Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between conversion cost and prime cost. Both are important concepts in cost accounting, but they focus on different parts of the production process. Let's understand each difference in a simple and easy way. Number 1. Conversion cost refers to the cost of converting raw materials into finished goods, whereas prime cost refers to the total of direct material cost and direct labor cost. Number 2. Conversion cost consists of direct labor and factory overheads, whereas prime cost consists of direct materials and direct labor. Number 3. Conversion cost is related to the transformation process in production. On the other hand, prime cost is related to the direct inputs used in manufacturing. Number 4. Conversion cost excludes direct material cost, whereas prime cost excludes factory overhead costs. Number 5. Conversion cost includes manufacturing overhead expenses. On the other hand, prime cost includes only direct and traceable costs. Number 6. Conversion cost is shown after prime cost in the cost sheet, whereas prime cost is calculated immediately after direct material cost. Number 7. Conversion cost formula is direct labor plus factory overheads, whereas prime cost formula is direct material plus direct labor. Number 8. Conversion cost contains both fixed and variable overheads. On the other hand, prime cost is generally variable in nature. Number 9. Conversion cost is more difficult to control because of overhead expenses, whereas prime cost is easier to control because it includes direct costs only. Number 10. Conversion cost cannot always be traced easily to one unit of production, whereas prime cost can be directly traced to individual units. Number 11. Conversion cost is less useful for short-term pricing decisions, whereas prime cost is more useful for decisions like pricing and make or buy analysis. Number 12. Conversion cost is used to measure production efficiency. On the other hand, prime cost is used to measure direct production expenses. Number 13. Conversion cost is difficult to compare between factories because overheads may differ, whereas prime cost can be compared more easily between industries. Number 14. Conversion cost is important for inventory valuation and work-in-progress calculation, whereas prime cost alone is not sufficient for complete inventory valuation. Number 15. Conversion cost helps management evaluate manufacturing efficiency, whereas prime cost helps control material and labor costs effectively. So, these were the major differences between conversion cost and prime cost. Understanding these concepts helps businesses manage production expenses and improve cost control in manufacturing operations. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.